What's up YouTube? Today we're at the Hall of Fame behind me and we're gonna skate. But first I'm gonna show you my board. I just put it together. It's a Revive blocks board. So I didn't do a set video this time, but I just set it up right now. And I still got my old fourth wheels, bones bearings, crux trucks. I also have my skate view mounted on today. And we're gonna get some under the board shots with the skate view. You turn it on, hit record, and kickflip test. That's the skate view on my board and the tripod angle on the GoPro. But if you like the video and want some more, let me know in the comment below. Also give it a like and give it a thumbs up down below. And if you have any questions or requests for the next video, let me know also in the comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Good night.